Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, back again from the Appalachian Ocean. And within this video, I'm going to talk about cleaning the Masterbuilt electric smoker. And you can find the smoker like I'm using, as well as the cleaning brush like I'm using. Expand this video's description, and then click the links there to find where to order it online. Now, several phases of cleaning. Now, obviously, after every smoke, you want to remove these grates. When they're cooled off, I put them through my dishwasher. After every smoke, you want to remove the water pan, clean it out, and obviously the drip tray at the bottom, you want to take that out. But after a few months of smoking, you can see I got all this black stuff on my deck. That's scraped off from the interior. So what you want to do is that starts to build up, and that's natural because that's, smoke stains stuff, man. So when you get smoke in a smoker that's smoking for 24-hour plus periods, over time, this stuff's going to build up on the inside of your electric smoker, which is perfectly normal. Now, you can see I've got a bunch of it down there. Well, what did I do? It's actually quite simple. Just grab your brush like a boss. And like I said, expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order it online. And just gently scrape the inside of the door. Remove all of your racks. Remove your drip pan. Gently scrape the back, the side walls, and just keep it clean. And this is important. It's not just cosmetic, but you want to properly maintain the inside of your Masterbuilt electric smoker so that it's clean, and obviously none of this while you're smoking flakes off and drops in on your food that's smoking. So very important to do periodically. Very simple, and goes without saying, this is my favorite smoker on the market today. You can subscribe, check out my Masterbuilt electric smokers video playlist. You can see my first video where I took this sucker out of the box, and I'm still using it. I store it outside here at the Appalachian Ocean. I keep it covered, and I've had zero issues with it. And I can smoke 100% consistent, perfect pork butts. And speaking of that, subscribe to my channel and check out my separate video, how to smoke a pork butt step by step. And I demonstrate using this electric smoker. Best electric smoker on the market today. Very affordable, but even though it's affordable, you still want to maintain it. And that's why I posted this cleaning video. Now I got to sweep my deck so that this doesn't make a mess. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell when you do, and that'll notify you whenever I post another video. And check out my Masterbuilt electric smokers video playlist. Check out all my cooking videos with my electric smoker. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.